So that's where, see here, we only have some gap, no? That is the gap. That's where we are failing. All these confusions are coming where you are not strong with the basics, right, Nama? So please fill it up. Then you will become stronger. The physical, virtual, they and all. Okay, okay. Any interview you will face it, crack it. Now, keeping this particular sentence in mind, if you attend any interview, if it fails or pass, analyze it, ma. Self-review it. Okay, then we will see something gap. That is like a step to learn. Don't degrade or don't demotivated when you fail. I think I told the same thing to someone here morning. Okay, but yeah, that's where we need to learn more, right, Nama? So see, when we will be learning these many, so you just enter, then they will tell you one thing. Then you have to know about it, learn about it, implement about it, right? So it's just a start. That's why he's strong with the basics. I always tell them strong with the basics. This one will come with more practice, more revision, deep knowledge, like deep reading, more discussing. Okay, ma? Okay, very good. Yes, any other questions? Raise the questions, ma. Take all your questions anyway.
Sir,
Yeah,
we are learning those things in ITS module, right?
yes.
Nowadays, so many companies or interviewers are asking ITAM and ITOM, ITSM as well.
Tell simply direct answer, ma. Tell I didn't get a chance to work on it. That's it. Maybe out of 10 interviews, maybe 3, let it go. We can't do anything, na. We don't have scope.
Yeah, I think it's better to make myself stronger to learn something on ITAM and ITOM as well. So, can you please show me how to navigate in my dev instance to navigate ITOM and ITM as well?
First of all, do we know?
How?
First of all, do we know what are them? When we use them, ITAM, ITOM, operational management and all.
No, sir. Even I don't know what is the
The
basic.
the setup to configure the ITOM, ITAM, they are not straightforward. Okay, we need to have a server. We need to have some other setup. Then connect them, monitor that setup in ServiceNow, and then do some development job here. Operational management. You have a server. Okay, the server need monitoring. Okay, so generally server management people monitor it. So the same thing you want to operate from ServiceNow. Server becoming 80%. Okay, make an alert, receive that alert into ServiceNow, create a P1 ticket, P2 ticket. The server becoming 90% occupied with the space. Get the alert. So how these two connecting, two communicating, alerts are coming based on the alert. How you are creating an incident. This is the main purpose there. I'm just giving one simple example. So now, in order to practice that thing, you need to buy a server, build a server, configure that server, connect the server with ServiceNow. You have budget, huh? Do you know how much server is?
What, sir? How much it is?
Minimum 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, no?
Yeah, very less.
How much is our fees, ma? Right. So
So I need to tell them frankly.
you didn't get a
Yeah.
chance to practice. See, yeah, yes, ma. We don't have a choice. Yes. For practice, we can't practice them. That is the main thing. Discovery, these and all will come. ITOM, discovery. Okay. CMDB. They will tell what is CMDB. I can show CMDB. I can tell you the basics and all. But the actual CMDB is like it's again a ocean. CMDB is not a ServiceNow concept, ma. CMDB is a separate concept. ServiceNow, we can use ServiceNow to handle the CMDB data. That will again will take 40 classes. If I am a CMDB expert, na, so I can tell you 40 classes only for CMDB. You are getting it right. These and all separate concepts, not ServiceNow concepts. ServiceNow is a platform that we use to manage them. Okay. In your organization, you have a separate field for computer. Okay, computer serial computer uh, maybe manufacturer time, something you have it. Okay, you come to CMDB underscore CA and CA underscore computer table, create a new field, make a logic. When you are getting the data, map the data properly to that field. That you need to do. How to create a field in a table? That you know. Making the definitions of the field, you can do it using client script, UI policy, business rule, whatever it could be, data policy or something. Then get the data, load the data, data source, import set, transform map, coalesce. Then that's what we need to do. Again, same dialogue. To do all of them, to understand understand all of them, what we need? ServiceNow basic concepts. You are getting it right? Yes, everyone. So out of you will be receiving all kind of questions. If you say if you know it, yes, say no, or else that's it. Okay, based on that only we will be getting the opportunities also. Maybe initially we will get some less salaries also, but enter into IT. That's it. That's the main thing. Enter into ServiceNow world. Once you get it, take the opportunity, learn how much you can learn, and the learning will equally give you the income also, more than that, right? And
Yes, sir. One more question. And
yes,
what about service portal, sir?
sir,
Can we learn
you can learn.
i-
We can
in this
learn.
classes, or
We can in these classes,
we need
no,
to do myself?
no. Portal, yeah, service portal is a separate thing. You can learn by
And
working.
frameworks also, someone are asking, sir.
Framework not required, ma. I can say directly. Framework is not required, but portal I can say there is service portal. Hmm. Okay, service portal. Okay, this is the portal.
So for portal and all we required again HTML, CSS again.
I will tell you, ma. I will tell you. So the same service now can be also seen little cosmetic, granular, okay, grammatic way in the other way. Here also you can see your tickets. You can add more things. You can add your company logo. You can add something extra here. So this is the service portal main page .sp service portal. Okay. So end users will be seeing this. You can give this kind of page access to end users or others, everyone. Okay, where they will not be seeing this one, but they will be seeing this one. So here also they can see their tickets, they can see their incidents, they can see their approvals, everything. Okay, and here they will also see all the items, catalog items and all. Okay, I want to order something, I want to request something, everything you can be seeing it. Okay, so this is portal. Now, how you build these things? Okay, I want to add one more category. Okay, I want to make some other layout here. Okay, in the main page, I want to add approval. Okay, I want to make this color change. Something. So here, this is called as widget. Okay, so you clone the widget. How? Why it is not coming? Give me 1 second. Control click, Control Alt click. Hmm. Okay, so this widget you need to take a default widget and then change the widget according to your requirement. Where is the widget editor? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so widget will be having, I will show you base. It is a base. Maybe if you have interest, you can learn it. Hmm. So this widget is the combination of these things. Okay, so whatever you are seeing in the page, it is, see here I am seeing requests. That means it is going to SCN. Okay, maybe if I show request. Okay, you are seeing catalog items. You are knowing the request, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Request or incident also it is showing. Okay, so it is going to incident table. So what exactly when I click this request, what it is doing is it is going to incident table, getting my incidents. Okay, which are assigned to me or which are created by me, for me, whatever it is, and showing here, right? So how it is getting it? The widget have server side code. Okay, somewhere server side code is there, so it is getting it. Okay, it has something else. Okay, that is getting the code and then it is showing here. So here also you will be having server side code, client side code, and then more designing related code like HTML code and CSS code. Okay, so this thing we need to learn, and also it will come like here. It will be also having the Angular JS. It works on Angular JS. Like Angular JS is the main thing. Okay, these widgets will work on bootstrapping, so Angular JS is required. So you also need to know it. Okay, so that is the reason I don't touch. If I touch it now, I need to explain here. So if I show this page, okay, we don't know how to write 2 lines of business rule, server side code. If I show this one, then you don't join the class also. You are getting it. So that is the reason we can simply say I never worked on uh, service portal. If you want to say service portal, yes, then know about like what is a widget, how to clone a widget. Okay, you as part of your practice, just clone a widget. Okay, and then once you clone the widget and add your own things. In order to add it, you need to know basic things like how to configure and all. See some YouTube videos on service portal, try to learn it and then implement it to answer at least in interviews. Instead of saying no, at least you know how to clone a widget, what is a widget, how they will be configured. Okay, basic things. This is what the expectation. Did I answer your question, ma?
Yeah, sir. In your channel, service portal sections and widgets, those kind of classes are there.
No, ma. So far I didn't upload it, and even I don't know much about service portal, so I never tried it. In my I didn't work on service portal development, ma. So the direct answer is I don't know, and maybe I need to learn and do a video in a simple way for learners. That maybe I can do. You got it?
Yeah, maybe service portal is the another phase of service no ITSM, right?
No, it is not related to ITSM at all. It is separate one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but service no one, right?
Yes, it is a service now. Yeah, service now concept, but it not belongs to service ITSM, but it is a service now concept. Yes.
Yeah, uh, totally different one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Separate concept. Yes.
Okay.
Very good. So you can tell like I didn't get a chance to work on it. We mainly work on catalog items and UI 16 related. So this is okay, service portal and this is UI 16. Now, what is the main thing? This is UI 16. So you said like yeah, I did my work is mainly on UI 16. That's it.
UI 16.
UI 16. Yeah, this is the UI 16. No? The view that page that we are in. This is UI 16. UI 15, UI 16. We discussed, no? Didn't we discussed UI 15, UI 16?
Maybe I forgot or
Fourth class, third class.
Discuss it, sir.
It is fundamental, we discussed. Nothing. There are two views. Okay. If you switch to UI 15, it loads the entire page in a old format and it takes very less bandwidth. Okay. It is a first first view, first UI that ServiceNow came up with. Later they improved the UI to UI 16. UI 16 is little granular, more cosmetic, more colorful. Now few releases back, maybe some 10 releases, 8 releases back, they implemented service portal also. It is another UI. Now they are implementing okay agent workspace. I need to install agent workspace. So this is also coming. So after few days, service portal also will not be there. Agent workspace will come. Okay, this is standard. Okay, whatever we are learning, UI 16 is standard, and these and all like new things. You got it? Maybe they are telling like once the agent workspace is for now it is not that much matured. Once it become very matured, then they will decommission service portal. So we don't be seeing service portal, but that time agent workspace will come. Is that clear? Maybe after some 4 or 5 releases from now. Here also you see same thing. Whatever you are seeing in portal, you are seeing here also in a different window, and it have more options, more convenient. Like you can see 10, 13 in like you see here. I have the same kind of thing. And if you see incidents, no, all incidents, you see all incidents. It is little, yeah. Now you click one incident, it loads here. Then if you just go, it is like a Chrome tabs you have here. So instead of different tabs, you have all in one place. You're getting it? So this is more convenient. Now they are projecting this one. Everyone got it, ma? So that is the answer for your question, maybe somehow. Yes. Any other questions? Don't. Okay. So much silence. So you are all getting scared, huh?
No, sir.
That is not actually our intention. That is why I don't introduce these many, because you are asking questions now, I'm telling. But i- if we see more and more and more where we don't have basics now, we'll get that scariness, confusion and all. But don't worry, to enter with 3 years, 4 years experience, you can skip all of them. Tell that is the
हम
reason.
क्वेश्चन आएगा जैसे और करे समथिंग
Yes, ma.
मेरे से आएगा उनका
Sorry, that is to me, huh? Something you told, I don't know. No. Okay. Yeah.
So yesterday you have showed, day before yesterday, transform maps, sir.
Ama.
Sir, in real-time scenario, in what scenarios you have used transform maps to import the data?
Yes, ma. We have many scenarios, ma. We are getting users from IDM team. Okay, IDM is a user provisioning tool. So they are sending the data. We are loading it because there is some mismatch in the user profile. So that is one thing I can say. Computers data we are getting, we are loading. Okay, and then asset data. Assets is a different thing. And then applications data. Okay, so many. We can say like CMDB data. Mostly we will load with transform maps, computers. Okay, assets, peripherals, these kind of things.
So, so while loading the data there also, yesterday I think you showed that transform script.
Hmm.
So, like our user ID and all those things will be whenever we will be uploading the data. So we have to use that auto sys field false if we do not want to. Can we use that
Run
right in
business
that?
rule, enforce mandatory fields, those two are.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Like,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
okay, sir.
Very good. Any questions, please?
And you said that once I think you have already given the answer. Like I got a scenario when they asked like if when you are importing one of the field is not available in the target table, so what you will be doing. So you said that we have to create the field in the target table.
Hmm.
So is that the are we like authorized to do that, sir?
The
Or
system is running with high privileges. So when you are running the data source imports and transform map, it's running with kind of admin rights only. So admin rights have the ability to create a record, no? You got it?
uh, yes, I mean, suppose I have got only a story that please import this data
Mm-hmm.
to this particular table.
Oh.
But when I checked that particular field is not available in the target table. So in that situation, can we take the decision that, okay, this field is not available. I will just first go and customize this table and then I
If
will
it is
import, or
required, yes, we need to create a field and then start loading the data. Yes.
no need any further
No. You need to check with your respective architect or lead.
mm,
You directly can't
okay.
create it. If you can create it, then they will ask you why you created sometime. So better they
Mm.
check with them, take their decision, and then if they say fine, then get it added into story, and then you start developing it. You don't worry, my initial level, you will be not getting these kind of things. So you can ask many questions and then develop something, and before you move it, you can also check with them. So there are so many things will be there. Okay, once the development is done, code review will be there. Okay, before you move to test. Okay, our strong like senior people will review everything. Okay, suggest something, and they will don't feel like you are alone. Okay, that is where our minds are now. When we are going to environment where we don't know about it now, we will feel okay, I'm going alone. Okay, if something comes, okay, someone will help how I will be and all. So you are going to a team, humans, and they will be knowing you. Okay, they will understand you. If you ask a question, they will tell you. Okay, it will all be there, but we should not give a chance. We should not ask every question. If they are telling you the answer means you should not go and ask like, sir, tell me what is update set. Give me that class, sir. I will listen and learn. Okay, you need to do work. Okay, once you do work, finally just go and say, I did this work. Okay, can you please review once? And in case something is there, please suggest me. Or I got stuck here. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Please suggest if you have any, you can suggest me anything. I will take it up. So these kind of things will be, you can ask. If you ask these kind of thing, They will tell you, they will suggest you, even they do it also for you. But if you don't ask this way, you ask, na sir, teach me update set, sir, I will learn. Okay, we should not expect those things. You will get so much of help from people, ma. Don't worry. You will get very nice team, nice people. Okay, but you also should be there. It doesn't mean like without if you go zero knowledge and then expect everything from there, na. Not every place it will support you. You got it, ma?
So yes, sir. So for 3 to 4 years of experience, what extent of knowledge they
Basic,
expect? With basic. Okay.
basic, strong. If you say catalog item, I can create a catalog item. They will assign you the story. You need to build a catalog item with a basic flow. If the flow has little complex, then you can ask the question. If the form have some complex logics, then you can ask the question. But without like, okay, let's say given one story, like if 5 variables are there, okay, and 2 approvals are there, and even you can't able to do it means yes, right? It cannot be, no? You agree?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Again, the same question, same point. What is that point?
Basic should be strong.
Yes. So you need to tell like I did 100 catalog items. Okay, I know update sets very well. I can manage client scripts. I can manage UI policy. I can manage server side script. I loaded so much of data. Okay, I know this one. So you need to build and you need to confidently tell what you implemented. You have to tell. And accordingly, you need to do also basic things. That's why I always tell practice, practice, practice. Right. Next question, ma, please.
Sir, incident management, problem change, request management, those all managements are comes under ITSM, right?
Yes, ma.
Uh, sir, please define problem change, request management, sir,
Request
for
management,
interview purpose.
request management, nothing to define because it's completely catalogs. Okay, catalogs workflows. There you are getting a
Okay.
request RATM task. Now that is request management. Okay. Incident management, we are seeing it. Maybe I can take a separate session. Okay. Change management we covered today. No, half. We can also cover a few little more. Yeah, we can cover it, ma, but I can only cover once I complete this syllabus, ma. Right?
Yes.
Because these are our primary topics. Okay. Once we are done with our primary topics, then we can go all additional topics. Because if I start incident management, I don't know where I will stop because that is that much lengthy. It's all like a social class, right? You know about me, na? If I start, I don't know where I end. So we can cover it, and even if I don't cover, also you can easily learn them. They are not that much complex. If you are able to learn these developer, na, those things are simple. Even I given the clue also, na? Just to get basic thing, what is that definition? Create some 20-30 incident. That's it. Everything will come. See everything, think everything, just read, go through everything. You will get everything. Only thing is we are not doing that and we are getting scared. Not only the incident management and all, even our ServiceNow concepts also. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Practically, we need to do lot of time spent. That we will learn by automatic. We don't need to read and then do, but if you practically do, it will automatically come. That's where we will learn many things in production live environments. There we will not be reading. We will be doing and then learning. That's it. Doing by learning is the best one, ma. Okay, learning and doing it will be delayed and it is not that much. But doing by learning, na, it will is very faster way of learning. Right?
So note, sir.
Yes, ma, please.
RITM, sir. RITM. If request is created, then RITM will definitely it will create.
It depends on how you can request and RATM. Yes, ma, maximum it will create. Yes, it should create.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
request and
Because
RATM it should be created, and
mm,
RATM and task it depends on how you configure the
yeah,
workflow.
RITM and task, yeah, it is depends on workflow. Okay, sir. But what happened in my live environment actually? some issues happen. Some tickets actually that is right. It is like leaver process. Means what is the who are leaving the organization for them, then one asset retrieval process will create.
And they are
Okay, one day
creating
what?
only RATMs, and you don't know how they are creating, and they don't have any
No,
attached.
no, I know. I know that one. It is creating from schedule job actually.
Uh-huh.
There is thing that one manual activity also I am doing actually.
Uh-huh.
But what happened one day there is some March I think some issues happen. Some guy randomly run one script. I told that day actually some 7,000 tickets are created.
7,000. Okay.
7,000 plus tickets are randomly created.
Mm-hmm.
In that what happened? Some RITMs, some REQs are created. For that RITMs are not created. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, in that 7,000, actually some means users also 7,000 users records is created.
User
In
records
that
also.
means asset retrieval also created.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, unfortunately for them, this thing is not created. What it is, RITM is not created.
Okay.
So next time what will happen? The RITM will check whether for this person it is created or not.
But it is becoming like an orphan. Nothing is there.
So now in that 7,000, almost 500 persons are left the organization.
Oh.
So the asset retrieval is not done for them.
Oh, okay.
Means the laptop receiving this thing it is not done for
Who
them.
created that schedule job? It's not being tested properly. Yeah?
No, it is done. So everything is done. But one guy randomly done some issue in production.
It should not be, no? How he did indirectly in production?
There is some access actually.
No.
It is done like the yeah.
Yeah, I understood. They did it.
Uh,
That's where I think that is the consequences, no? That is the
yeah, that only sir.
I understood, ma. Okay, so I don't know. Like I need to understand, see that,
No,
and
no. I that doubt actually because REQs is creating that time. RTMs also need to create right
no.
definitely.
It's
Uh,
generally request management we see from catalog side. Okay,
yes.
if it is being created properly via a form, it will create all of them. REQ and RATM mandatory.
Yes.
But
Yes.
your thing is like the schedule job, we don't know. Maybe if you just initiate like, okay, go to like glide to that, okay, go to SC underscore request table, initiate and insert. That time we are not,
There is script include also for that.
that,
In the script include it is
that,
calling. Yeah.
right, ma. That time we don't know, like whether it directly create REQ and it creates RATMs and all. We don't have any control, right?
Only on particular one day it is happen like that.
Only one day. Okay.
Yeah, only one day. That's it.
We
After
need
that
to
there is
see
no issue.
actually the
Only
code and all like.
yes, yes, yeah.
The answer for your question is like REQ, RATM mandatory. Maybe
Yeah.
we can maybe they say like if it is creating from catalog item, yes, it is mandatory. But if it is generating from outside
Okay.
source, we don't have any control. Maybe that way.
So
Huh.
one more doubt. So in actually in RITMs
Mm-hmm.
there is one assignment group or assigned to is there.
RATM, yeah. Yes, okay.
Yeah. It will be come from that catalog itself. In catalog actually we need to create a fulfillment group something.
No. Catalog task you are saying, right? In
No,
RATM,
the
give me 1 second, ma.
okay.
Because in RATM, like, this assignment group assignment 2, na, we don't use it actually. Because even there.
Yeah, for task only it is required.
For RATM, even if it is there, not there, we don't care at all because doesn't matter. Tasks are fulfillments, but see here.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. I don't think they are required, ma'am. But in your organization, they are there, huh?
Yeah, it is there, sir. Actually, as of now, it is same like one of the task. It is having same thing. It is having,
Let's
but my client is
say,
telling to change that one.
because let's say the RATM have 5 tasks.
Hmm.
Then
Yes.
which group it will be assigned, and what is the meaning of, like, let's say it is assigned to one group. Tasks have
Hmm.
multiple things, and then what is the meaning of this assignment group to say?
Yeah, that only.
Hmm.
That only
You
need to
can just
change. But I
remove
am
that.
asking.
Remove. What
Hmm,
you are asking? Sorry. Yeah.
means I am asking. Actually, it will come from that task. Means a catalog is there, na, sir? For that
Catalog
creating this
tasks.
REQ. For creating this REQ, there is one catalog. In that actually there is will be like one fulfillment group, something like that. It will
No,
be there.
it is there. No. Catalog task level, there is no group, no. Give me 1 second. Ma. In catalog item, we don't have anything called group. I'm 100% sure, I think. No, ma. It's not there.
Okay.
Because I never seen it. I create more. Maybe 300, 400 catalog items I created. Group, there is no group here.
Okay. Okay, so then I need to
Just
see
to
the one
check,
more time
maybe
again.
refer once. Maybe is
Yeah,
that a custom field? Maybe if you have it in catalog item, just see whether it is a custom field. Okay, U underscore assignment something. Then is there any business rule or catalog script that is there which is taking this variable or a value from this thing to this one copying? Just to analyze what are the
yeah.
definitions of them.
Okay,
But
sir.
I am 100 maximum. I can 100% say like it is not coming from by out of the box catalog item forms. It is not there. Group is not there. That's I am sure maximum. Just check it.
Okay,
Check the
okay,
definitions. Maybe you'll understand.
okay, sir.
Right. Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, others. Any questions, ma? Sunita garu, Sridevi garu, others, everyone. Name?
Everything else.
No.
Sir, what if Oracle is
What if?
or Oracle is
One second, ma. What is OR?
police? Transform maps ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
What is colis? That's it. There is no R colis.
అతను సినారో చెప్పాడు సార్ ఇలాగా.
Uh-huh.
When we check the two collisive field, what will happen?
When you
If
colis, when you check colis value for two maps, then what will?
it will update. It will when the police is true, it will update. Otherwise, it will insert.
That's true. Okay.
అతను ఏమన్నాడంటే నాకు ఒకటి ఇన్సర్ట్ అవ్వాలి ఒకటి అప్డేట్ అవ్వాలని చెప్పాడు సార్.
ఒకటి ఇన్సర్ట్ ఒకటి అప్డేట్. ఏది ఇన్సర్ట్ ఏది అప్డేట్ అమ్మా? ఓకే.
అది అదే చెప్పి ఆన్సర్ కూడా అతను చెప్పాడు సార్. ఆర్కోలిస్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉంటుంది నువ్వు చెక్ చేయి అన్నాడు. నాకు ఎక్కడ కనపడలేదు సార్ అది.
So here where we are, where is why it is not loading? Yeah, it is loading. And index collects fields. No, you are not this one. And here we have only 3. Let's see if we have something else. These are 2 related to colis that we already seen them. Okay. No, we don't have anything related to colis. Okay, fine. Then let's say colis equal to 2. Let's open this one. Okay, now R colis. No, there is no such a thing called ServiceNow transform maps. No, ma, there is no such thing. I don't know seriously because I know this concept very well. I never seen this kind of thing. Maybe he is wrong or maybe we are wrong. I don't know, but maybe I can review, ma. But I never seen so far. That's for sure. And even we just seen, na, that field option is not there. Yeah.
అంటే అతను ఆన్సర్ కూడా చెప్పాడు సార్. ఆర్కోలిస్ చూసుకో ఉంటుంది అన్నాడు. అదే చెప్పి వినేవాళ్ళు.
Okay. లేదమ్మా. I will see. I will see. Sorry. Okay. Condition colors with the R condition. It's a script actually. Script రాసేకుంటే we can, if we want to write script we can do, but there is no. Okay, I'll check it, ma. When I don't know, maybe I should not comment it, but yeah, I will check it. Right. Any other questions, please? Any questions, ma, please? Okay. I think, shall we end?